Hey guys, what's up? I saw some videos in YouTube, and these videos didn't help me to fix my problem. Then I'm trying to make some make a video to help you to fix the problem when you press the fire button. Your vape didn't fire. It show you no coil error. Then the fix is you need to change your coil, or you need to change your tank, and it will probably works again. I did this yesterday when I had this problem, and it works for me. If it works for you too, tell me, okay? Tell me in the comments. I hope I help you to fix the error in your vape. SMOK Alien, I don't know how to speak in English, but okay. See you. Peace out.